Class 9. Subject Science Biology. Chapter 12. Improvement in Food Resources. Topics to be learned in this video: fish production and beekeeping. Fish production. Fish is a cheap source of animal protein for our food. Fish production includes the finned true fish as well as shellfish such as prawns and mollusks. There are two ways of obtaining fish. One is from natural resources, which is called capture fishing. The other way is by fish farming, which is called culture fishery. Marine fisheries. India's marine fishery resources include 7,500 kilometers of coastline and the deep seas. Popular marine fish varieties include pomfret, mackerel, tuna, sardines, and Bombay duck. Marine fish are caught using various nets from fishing boats. Yields are increased by locating schools of fish using satellites and echo sounders. Marine fish of high economic value are also farmed in seawater. Example: finned fishes like mullets, bhetki, and pearl spots, shellfish like prawns, mussels and oysters, as well as seaweed. Oysters are also cultivated for the pearls. As marine fish stocks get further depleted, the demand for more fish can only be met by such culture fisheries, a practice called mariculture. Inland fisheries. Fresh water resources include canals, ponds, reservoirs and rivers. Brackish water resources, where seawater and fresh water mix together, such as estuaries and lagoons, are also important fish reservoirs. Fish culture is sometimes done in combination with a rice crop, so that fish are grown in the water in the paddy field. Intensive fish farming uses composite fish culture systems, involving both local and imported species. Here, 5 or 6 fish species are stocked in a single pond. They are selected for their different food habits. Surface feeders, example, catlas. Middle zone feeders, example, rohus. Bottom feeders, example, mrigals, common carps. Weed feeders, example, grass carps. It ensures efficient use of all food resources in the pond without competition, thereby increasing fish yield. Problems in such composite fish culture. Many fish breed only during the monsoon. Wild-caught fish seed may be mixed with other species. To ensure quality seed availability, hormonal stimulation techniques have been developed to breed fish in ponds. Beekeeping. Honey is widely used, and therefore beekeeping for making honey has become an agricultural enterprise. Since beekeeping needs low investments, farmers use it as an additional income-generating activity. In addition to honey, the beehives are a source of wax, which is used in various medicinal preparations. The local bee varieties used for commercial honey production are Apis cerna indica, Indian bee, a dorsta, rock bee, and a flori, little bee. The Italian bee variety, a mellifera, is introduced, which has high honey collection capacity, lower stinging, stay in a beehive for long periods, and breed very well. The Italian bees have high honey collection capacity. They sting somewhat less. They stay in a given beehive for long periods and breed very well. For commercial honey production, bee farms or apiaries are established. The value or quality of honey depends upon the pasturage or the flowers available to the bees for nectar and pollen collection. In addition to adequate quantity of pasturage, the kind of flowers available will determine the taste of the honey. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.